Hi guys, so I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Finally, I think I've been away for a very long time. My life got really messy and hectic, so you know, as usual, I had to pause it. I'm gonna start off with Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream Light. I really like to use this makeup primer because it makes my skin really glowy and so this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Luminous Foundation. I'm gonna be using this. This one really gives like a decent coverage. At the same time, it doesn't leave my skin feeling too thick. I'm using this liquid foundation brush to blend everything out. I'm using a bit of concealer on the left side of my cheek because I can still see a bit of my scars. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while I do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this hair wax for my brows. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows next with the brow pomade. So I actually like microbladed my brows a few months back, and I realized that honestly microblading is so natural to a point right now I even forgotten that I've microbladed my brows sometimes because they don't really look like there's a big difference. I feel like I still have to draw my brows. Yeah, like without makeup I definitely look slightly better because my brows are not that as empty. I also realized like I'm really awkward in videos, whatnot. I don't even know how to describe it because recently I filmed a TikTok with like a friend and I'm supposed to just like, you know, act natural, walking around and kind of stuff. And I think I failed miserably because like definitely don't act natural enough. So I think it's kind of weird. I'm trying my best though, so maybe like I should do more YouTube video. I don't know, it's just filming with myself is very comfortable and very normal for me. But when it comes to filming with somebody else, I think it's a little bit weird. So I think I'm like kind of done with the brows. I am going to be blending the concealer here away. Yeah, also this dress I'm wearing is totally fit for New Year's Eve kind of party kind of look. But to be honest, I don't think I'll go to a New Year's Eve party. But this dress is super beautiful. You can see the top is like that. It's covering the chest area and there's like a under boob moment, and then it's like a dress that is not too tight but it's not too loose, so you can see a bit of a body shape. Yeah, and there's like this ribbon thing at the side that you can tie up and it's like a slit. I'm gonna stand up later and just show you guys. So, but yeah. Also recently I've been using cream blusher. Like long time ago I saw this girl on TikTok that buys all this cream blusher that is extremely good. A good dupe comparing to like Fenty cream blush, which is a lot more expensive. This is from Daiso. So I've been using them they're actually not like too crazy, because before using this I always thought cream blusher or liquid blusher, they're just gonna be like too pigmented and too much and very difficult to control, but these are so easy to control. But I prefer using this kind of more, I don't know how to describe this sponge, not so, more dense brush, more dense sponge for the cream blusher. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on like the outer part of my face to act like a contour and blush at the same time. Powder my face with like this puff and the Skinfood peach cotton powder. Yeah, so I feel like it's more of I don't really have confidence, or my confidence is not really. I'm going to contour my nose. Oh yeah, in case if you're wondering what is this shadow thing, it's just my mirror. I do have a full-length mirror there. God, I forgot what's... I forgot the word full-length for a moment. But yeah. So like ever since I've been away, I guess, I don't remember when's the last time I posted. But I would say like, what changed? Let me think. Well, I'm trying to find a new job. That's one change for sure. And oh my god. Alright, I'm going to be doing more like a green base makeup. So I have this Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm going to be using the one's called Dream Glow, that is more green. Oh, and from this McGrath lab, there's a very nice olive green. Yeah, olive green shimmer also. Why is it all shimmer though? Yeah. Usually I like to play more with mattes. I'm putting this olive green shimmer on the outer part of my eyes, on the crease. Oh my god, very beautiful. I'm gonna use the one from Charlotte Tilbury that is darker on the outer corner of my eye. Because I am not enjoying my job, it is constantly stressing me out, which just makes me very, very mentally exhausted all the time. So I don't really feel a lot of happiness or satisfaction in my life in general, because like things like I can't spend time with my family, I can spend time with my friends, people I want, that kind of thing. So and also from like long working hours to because feeling mentally drained all the time. Yeah, But like at the same time, I'm still constantly trying to, you know, do more, constantly trying to overwork, because I always have the feeling like if I don't do something and I don't feel productive, it's not very good. You know, I just sometimes when I rest a bit too much, I feel a little bit bad that I'm, you know, I just want to be productive enough. Yeah, I have this gold shimmer. I'm gonna use it from on the inner part of the eyelid. Yeah. Then I have this gold, but it's a more warm tone gold. I'm gonna put it in the center of my eyelid. Realizing this is so much shimmer because none of the colors that I want to use are matte. I mean, if they're matte, they'll be really different color also. I'm gonna be using this more copper color, also a shimmer. I'm gonna be using it like on the outer part of my under eye first. Outer part of my lash line, just a little to blend better. I'm gonna use this extremely dark matte black shadow from the Tilbury one, and to do like a smoky line. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the liquid line on top of the smoky line to just that is so much shimmer for the face. I'm usually not used to this amount of shimmer in one look. I'm usually like more of a matte eyeshadow person. Yeah, I have been using the Tarte liquid glow on because this tends to give a very natural finish. So like if my face is overly matte from the powder and stuff, I'll use this and it will look a lot better after that. Yeah. But not for my nose though, because my nose, nowadays you tend to wear mask, right? The nose area tend to get rubbed off a lot, so if I'm using something liquid, it rubs off even more. Yeah, which sucks, I know. So the other day I went out, right? In just my small little purse, I have 5 freaking lipstick. I know. I don't know why I even have 5 lipstick. But I guess I can't help it. So this is Morning Mocha from M Cosmetic, which is one of my favorite lipstick ever because of the color is just perfect. And then I'm using their Fenty Glow Gloss on top. I'm gonna try doing my hair, and if I succeed, I'll come back with a different hairstyle. If not, I'll come back with ending. Okay, so I tried using the Dyson. I recently got the Dyson Airwrap and I tried using the curling stuff, and yeah, I kind of failed, so I just used the comb that was like the easiest to use. Yeah, I mean, at least my hair looks a lot more neater, like, you know, more like outside ready or whatever. Okay, yeah, so I am done with the makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching and always watching. So if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe to me. I also have Instagram and Twitter, both at GYEmily. I'm a lot more active on my Instagram, so you can follow me over there. I don't usually go MIA like that on YouTube as I am on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you, and I hope to see you guys very soon. I hope I won't go MIA anytime soon. Thank you so much, and bye bye.